Sometimes you have to admit defeat. So, secret stash. Shh, don't tell anyone. Into my barbecue. There's nothing cooking. Shh, don't tell anyone. Top secret. That's a fairly new wheel by the look of it. Oh, look at that. That's going to save a lot of time, innit? Let's make that happen. I've got that out, and that looks so much better than that other one. I feel like I've just wasted an hour of my life. Now, down in here, that might be mudguard, rear mudguard for it, and front mudguard by the look of it. And there's a frame there, and I can't see down there. Oh, just back into that frame. Oh. I'm gonna go check my other cupboard now. There's another secret stash in there. What's in there? Oh no. It's not there. Maybe it's under my benches. I'll have a look. Oh, right under my benches we've got a welding mask, some welding pipes, another welding mask. What's that? That's a 535 engine. Ammo box. What's in ammo box? Lithium batteries. A load of 535 parts there. And I don't see a wheel. Maybe I'm misremembering what I've got. Okay. Let's take a look at that other wheel in my pickup truck. Right, in the back of my pickup truck, what have I got in here? That's a mag. 5-spoke type wheel. Doesn't really go, does it? Well, that came off. Did I buy it? There's several Virago luggage racks here and a engine guard. Pinto rocker cover, 535 swing arm. Not what we're looking for. It's over there. Oh, me skateboardy thing. Not there then. So on that note, back on my little stool here, look, little tractor stool, saves my bum on the floor. I'm going to use that one and try clean that up, because that looks a lot cleaner than that was, and if that one comes to that level, then that one should come not a million miles off that. There's got a bit of rust, see when you look at it. And there's a little bit, but yeah, we can buff that off. Oh, it's starting to rain. I think I'll call it a do for today, because kids have to go to chess club. Rudely interrupted.